Nibingelele nonke enibukela le video. Namukelekile futhi kule channel. Mangabe umusha wamukelele kule channel. Cela ubuke ivideo uze kufike egcineni. La namhlanje senza ama-electric circuits. Electric circuits i-question yakhona le ephelele. Ama-question awu-4 kuphela sizowenza. Iyona ke diagram yethu le. I-circuit diagram yethu. Lana bathi ke masibheki i-circuit diagram yethu inama resistors, kune switch, kune battery, kune voltmeter and ammeter la. Bathi lana ke when switch S is open, the reading on the voltmeter is 12 volts. Mangabe u-switch S open ngalendlela kusho ukuthi ke basitshela ukuthi ke kuno 12 volts lana u-voltmeter lana measure ini i-voltage across i-battery. Sibiza ngani i-voltage across i-battery? Sibiza ngani nge-EMF. Shuthi lo 12 volts uyi-EMF ngalesikhathi kusavulwe i-switch. Base beqhubeka bathi when switch S is closed, the reading on the voltmeter is 10 volts. Mangabe switch S closed, bathi i-reading laphana seyashitsha seyiba u-10 volts. Shuthi bekuloya 12 sekhambe u2 sasala no10, yabo? Sekuno 10 volts. Lo 2 ke useyephi u2 volts loyana. Ngoba angithi yabo manje sekuvalwe switch. Shuthi i-circuit siyafunctiona. Shuthi khona la u2 olahleka khona ezifunctiona ke circuit. Ya iyona lento basichazela yona la. Lo 2 volts ke uthathwa yini? I-internal resistor. I-resistor leyana lilapha phakathi kwi-battery. Yiyo ke ezosebenzisa lo 2 volts. Because yona eqala khona ngithi supply as ngalesikhathi nje belokhunja as soon as they open the switch, then i-battery ngithi lokhunja liqala lapha na kwi-battery. Then mabethi baya measure because ba measure after ilokhunjana, after internal battery, after i-battery lethu bathola ukuthi no 10 volts. Lo 2 volts ke uthatheke la u2 volts, yabona? Base bethi and the reading on the ammeter is 1.5 amps. Then i-reading la i-1.5 amps. Ngalesikhathi sine closed switch. Closed switch ihamba no 1.5 amps, ibuye ihambe no 10 volts kanje. Bese siya kuma questions. I-question yokuqala ke ithi ke state Ohm's law in words. Ohm's law masimstate asithini? Sithi i-potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to current passing through that conductor provided temperature kumele remain constant. Ithi ke a potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to current passing through it provided noma sithi at a constant temperature, provided temperature remains constant. Iyona definition yethu ke le. It's a potential difference is directly proportional to current, then provided the temperature remain constant. I-definition ka Ohm's law lena in words. Bese ke angithi algebraically angithi so provider ini i-formula khona ethi if bebebuze algebraically R equal to voltage divided by current, but la in words la algebraically, yabona ngokwe formula. Bese bethi ke in the circuit diagram above, switch S is now closed. Sebethi ke senjani switch S use-closed. Futhi njengamanje ku switch S, yabo S lo kumele uthi switch S lesikhuluma ngayo. Sebethi ke u-switch S use-closed manje. Use-closed base bethi yabona kushuthi ngoba seku-closed sesisebenza ngale part yokuthi uclosed, sisebenza ngale part yo-closed ehambisana nalokhu iphathi ka-closed leyo. Base bethi-ke calculate the resistance of the unknown resistor Rx. Sicalculate i-resistance yakhe u-Rx. Okay, u-Rx nangu Rx une-resistance engakanani-ke, mhlawumbe u-2 ohm, u-1 ohm, u-7 ohm, yabona? So calculate yona-ke, ngakho bethi-ke u-Rx, unknown resistor Rx. Bese calculate i-resistance yakhona-ke. Sizoyicalculate kanjani i-resistance yakhona? Sinani kuqala if i-switch i-closed? Sinani ilokhu njani? Sinani sine voltage, sinani ne-current, yabona? Kukanje, ku-2 kanje. Bese-ke kwenzeka kanjani-ke mase kunjalo? Shuthi masibheka thina izinto esinazo u-10 volts no 1.5 amps. Sifuna bani? U-Rx nangu laphayana. Mawubheka laba shuthi kahle vele u-Rx bese ngabheka ngokuthi mhlawumbe sizama ngokuthi sithole wonke ama-resistors in the circuit, yabo? Sithole isi-add isum yakhona ngendlela yakhona, then bese sithi equal to i-total resistance. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo-ke angithi kujwayele ukuba njalo ukuthi basibuze i-total resistance ukuthi sithi R total is equal to, senza kanje sithi R mabubuza i-total resistance in the circuit is equal to, because la kuno-series part no-parallel part wama-resistor, khona kuthiwe in series nakhona kuthiwe in parallel. Shuthi sothi R parallel plus R series. Senza kanjena-ke if sithi siyithola ngokwe-question ngokujwayelekile, kodwa la yabo suthi bebuza ini, sebebuza i-resistor in series ile. Kusho ukuthi-ke masithi siyabheka mesingaba naye lo nalo, then sesikakwazi ukuthola u-Rs because sesomenza i-substitute of the formula. Mawubheka u-R parallel yini i-total resistance yama-resistor in parallel, yona siyicalculate kanjani-ke? Shuthi kumele sicalculate yona kuqala, izobe sini-ke cause in parallel kuba i-fraction 1 over R parallel is equal to 1 over bani? Awuthiwa ngithi ama-resistor 1 over resistor 1 plus 1 over the second resistor, okuwukuthi-ke 1 over R parallel 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. Uyenza njani-ke mase ikanje? Ufuna u-R parallel, u-R parallel uzolingana nobani? Sizothi-ke thina 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 kuphume u-8 over 3. Angithi 1 over R parallel lo ngimshayela ile answer ngapha le. Shuthi le answer u-1 over R parallel. Then mase sifuna u-R parallel because u-denominator shuthi kumele simkhuphule eze la ku-numerator. Simkhuphula kanjani-ke? Shuthi kufana nokuthi siyaswapha lokhu, u-1 ubuya ku-denominator, lo ubuya ku-numerator. Kanjalo-ke ne-answer yakhe lo nayo siyenza njalo. Shuthi sekuzobani? Because beku-8 3 over 8 sekuzoba u-8 over 3 u-R parallel 8 over 3. U-8 over 3-ke siyibhala in-decimal. Yabona ukuthi ubani? u-2.67 ohms. 2.67 ohms. Yabona ukuthi-ke i-total yama-resistor lawa in parallel sesitholile u-Rp, then sesithola bani manje? U-R total. Masithola u-R total shuthi-ke u-R total ulingana nobani-ke? R total angithi yabona ukuthi sinobani? U-current lo, i-current yibo le current eflow la. Bathi i-current eflow ammeter angithi. Shuthi i-current eflow ammeter yabo? Seyi-total i-current la i-total i-split buyihlangana ibe yi-total all the way i-total. Shuthi le current la is a total current, yabona? I-total current. Shuthi-ke kahle for into ethi into total sinani kuqala, sinani sina i-current, yabona? Mase ngesikhathi bethi lana when switch S is closed the reading on the voltmeter is 10 volts, yabo? I-reading ku-voltmeter isiwubani? Isiwu-10 volts angithi, yabona? Shuthi-ke lo 2 volts olahlekile because bewu-12 ureader la, shuthi la sino 2 volts phakathi then lapha phakathi khona la ku-V khona bani when switch S is closed khona 10 volts 10 volts la okuyini i-external voltage yabo. Shuthi-ke ikahle kahle iyona total voltage esisele nayo out of i-EMF ekade iwu-12 iphelele yabo. Sekuyini external voltage external voltage or i-total voltage yethu esisele nayo iwu-10 because angithi switch yethu isi-closed. Shuthi-ke fana nokuthi yini i-total voltage for ama-lokhunjani for ama-resistors a-connectwe out ngaphandle kwani kwe-internal battery. Shuthi for wonke ama-resistors othola la ma-resistor lawa azosebenza le voltage le isiphelele. Shuthi-ke since thina-ke sifuna ini la i-total resistance sokwenza kanjani? Iformula ithini? Sinani sine-current eyi-total sesinayo futhi voltage eyini eyi-total shuthi u-V total no-I total. Ukuthola u-V total no-I total nangu R total esidingayo. Moyabheka-ke le formula le ikhona iformula ngithi Ohm's law include ini i-voltage, i-current ne-resistance. Shuthi sifuna i-resistance ithini-ke iformula ithi R equal to V over I okuwukuthi sizofaka ku-V wethu u-V wethu u-10 nobani no-1.5 okuyini i-current i-total current u-10 divide by 1.5 sithola bani-ke yabo u-6.67 ohms. Yini lena-ke i-total resistance etholakala in the circuit. If u-add lama-resistor lawa nale uthola le sekuphelele. Shuthi-ke for R total wethu u-6.67 ohms. R parallel u-2.67 plus u-RS okuyini u-R wama-series okubani R series uyishuthi ufana ukuthi u-RX mawuthandayo shuthi sothi RX cause besafuna uku-understand sana la shuthi sesivele sifaka u-RX sesivele iyodwa in series i-resistor. Shuthi-ke sesiya-transpose-ke minus 2.67 siya-transpose sithola bani-ke sithola bani la if si-transpose sothi ngithi yabona kuzomayinazana ama-decimals kuphuma u-0 6 minus 2 kuthola bani u-4 ohms 4 ohms ini u-RX shuthi ubani njengamanje u-4 ohms u-RX wethu. Bese-ke siyaqhubeka-ke sekuphelile ngale question. Si-question yesibili isithathu ethi calculate the internal resistance of the battery for 3 marks. Internal resistance naya ngithi internal resistance of the battery, okay? Yes, of the battery. I-battery vele inani ine-resistance ephakathi kuyo. Low resistor nge-English sithi-ke it's just the internal resistance yalo i-battery. Nayi lapha la ikhona iyo le. Bafuna ukuthi ine-resistance engakanani. Ngithi yabona ukuthi i-unknown la ayina 1 ohm ayinabani. Yona-ke ngithi sirepresenta ngo-small letter r cause i-internal incane ayibonakali. Shuthi sizofaka bani? Nangu umuntu esimdingayo sidinga lo. Kanjalo nalo R uyafana nalo R la ngokweformula. Shuthi if simfaka kuformula ye-Ohm's law sothi R is equal to V over I. Lo R ungena la simbona kule ndawo sibuye simbone la ukuthi khona EMF is equal to bani I R plus R. Izona ndawo lezi sivamise ukuthi simbone kuzo u-R omncane. Shuthi thina sizoba yi-one of iformula lawa esizothola ngayo lo R. Bese sithi siyabheka-ke singamenza kanjani? Ngawo mabili amaformula singamthola u-R cause nani angithi sinako kwala, yes sinako kwala nala futhi sinako. Siyazi ukuthi uvilo osebenza lana cause i-internal angithi siyazi ukuthi beyiwu-12 EMF kusaphelele kusamashi EMF kwancipha kwase kuba u-10 as sifunction mase kufunctiona nje once i-switch iya-closed yonke into esuke seyirida laphayana kusuke sekuyini u-V external okuyi-voltage ezosaplayeka la nala kusho ukuthi lo resistor lo lapha phakathi usheshe ayithathe nje kuqala ilokhu njani i-voltage yakhe azoyisebenzisa njengoba ethathe u2 volts wamthatha wambeka la such that ukusalayo la kube sekuya la kusho ukuthi thina masithatha le formula le siyazi ukuthi i-voltage yalana iwu2 cause lo 12 uthathe kusala u10 kusho ukuthi u2 uthathwe lo lasi seleqala function yakho kwasikhani kuvela u10 ususalile suzovela la yabo yilokho kumele ukwazi ukuthi i-EMF is only visible mangabe i-circuit ingafunction or mangabe i-switch i-opened iyona ke into yethu kanjalo nakule formula sinani sine EMF ile voltage esitholayo i-circuit yethu ingakafunction okubani oku-12 volts while i-switch is open ayifunction cause i-current ayiflow indawo yabo kuvulekile lana izojust ukuthi unokuthi kuqhubeke isebenze la ayisebenzi yabona shothi ayikho kahle into esuke iyenzeka yonke into remain the same okusho ukuthi ke sine EMF yes sinani sine total current okubani oku-1.5 amps cause vele uphasa lapha through ku-ammeter A yabona i-current esuke is the same ayishintshanga 1.5 amps yabo sinani futhi omunye u-R external siqeda kumthola nangu yabo u-R external noma total resistance yabona ilo resistor lesalayo okuwukuthi soyifaka la bese sithola u-R ake sizameke shothi u-EMF wethu u12 volts u-current wethu u1.5 u-R bese kuba u6.67 plus small letter r wethu lingana nobanike no12 divide by u1.5 cause kumele sisuse u1.5 ukumsusa la eduze kwalezi zinto angithi laba just like abandawonye cause bavalwe ama-brackets shothi ke kumele kusuke lo seceleni kuqala bese khani isuka ukuvumela ukuthi si-transpose shothi mase simsusa just divide ngaye both sides 1.5 divide 1.5 divide 1.5 bese kusala banike ke minus 6.67 okuwukuthi ke ku-R wethu u1.33 ohms sizame ngale ndlela futhi R is equal to u2 over 1.5 i-current eflow laphana vele kuse 1.5 total current siphuma kube kuyi total shuthi divide by 1.5 ukuthi yabona still isasikhiphela into efanayo 2 divide by 1.5 shuthi ke u1.33 ohms buzokhetha ke indlela yakho uyibona ilula lana yabo shuthi noma yipho ithandile yabona si-arrive kwe-answer efanayo futhi for 3 marks for amangaka vele kusekuthi sisebenza just i-formula straight eyodwa ohms law or le EMF i-formula yakhona awusebenzisi like modern ama-equation kuzoba na-equation 1 equation 2 ilokho kumele ukunake bese kuthi ke i-question yethu yokugcina bathi ke after a while makuhamba isikhathi yabo after a while the 4 ohm resistor gets hotter manje siyashisa ngaphandle okay it gets hotter ngithi njengama-bulb lawa akhanyayo ngithi emakhaya ama-bulb angithi yabona mase likhanya isikhathi eside kuba njani lizwe molithinta ulifila lishisa then bathi lithi gets hotter than 8 ohm u4 ohm gets hotter than u8 ohm base bethi fully explain this observation bathi chaza yonke lento esebeyisho la ukuthi why kwenzeka angithi la kade benza la benzile bathola lokho wena ke chaza ukuthi why kwenzeka kanjalo yabona shuthi ke uhotter is just leyo nto leyo isuke related to i-energy angithi because yabona makune energy kuba ne-heat lost or ne-heat gained once kwa-involve energy, there is heat loss or ilokhu njani the heat khona just increase heat. Shuthi-ke there is gain of energy or there is loss of energy. Why kube kanjalo? Ku-3 marks lezi zinto. Shuthi-ke izinto eziwu-3 abazoyimaka kuwo. Thina-ke mawubheka i-energy, how can sina singayichaza kanjani? Indlela esingachaza ngayo iyokusebenzisa iformula ye-energy. Iyona ezosisiza cause siyazi ukuthi kunento ebizwa ngani ngo-inversely proportional. Yabona? Shuthi-ke masiyibheka iformula ye-energy singayithatha noma yiphi. Shuthi-ke iformula ye-energy ithini? Ithi energy is equal to V squared, khona lento is V squared over R. Kumele unake iformula ye-energy yafana nobani? Khona nenye futhi ethi I change in time. Maningi awu-3 nenye-ke yesithathu ye-energy. Kodwa kumele ukunako energy ukuthi iformula ye-energy iba njani iformula ye-energy ifana neyepower, but into ehlukayo ngokwe-energy kuba nani? Kuba ne-multiplication ye-time eceleni, multiply by time. Shuthi masisusa time le formula esalayo kuba eyani? For ipower. Iyona into indlela ongakhumbula ngayo leyo amaformula wakho. Isho ukuthi-ke mawubheka amaformula lawo 2, then masiyabheka-ke so sichaza ukuthi why lona ethi gets hotter first then lo, noma gets hotter lo bafanishini wabili lezi, kodwa lo sitholakala seshisa kakhulu kunalo. Then sochaza lokho-ke nayi energy ithini? It's energy, yes. Mangikhuphuka la nalona uzokhuphuka, then but lo uzokwenza njani? Just uzo-decrease cause ba-inversely proportional. Angithi yabo ukuthi akusiyona into eyi-straight line. Iyona-ke lento esichaza ngayo. Shuthi-ke sesizobheka ukuthi u-4 ohm no-8 ohm bakuphi laba? O-R angithi. Shuthi baku-denominator. Sizobaqhathanisa-ke. U-4 ohm shuthi-ke yayibona into ukuthi 8 no-4 khona u-8 and 4. Yabo? U-8 no-4. Mawufaka okay, ake sithi nje vele i-resistor uqhubeka kwayo makuthiwa iyaqhubeka mhlawumbe sithi mhlawumbe ingagcina u-10 ohms. Lezi zinto zombili sibeke kwisikali sa-10 ohms. Shuthi masilokhu nje masifaka u-4 ohms la, u-4 ohms yabo? U-4 ohms ubuncane. Shuthi kahle out of isikali sethu esiwu-10 esiyikalele ngazo. Masifaka i-resistor u-4 ohm cause yayibona incane kuno-8 ohm. Shuthi thina sidecrease i-resistance. Mayi-decrease internal resistance yini increaseayo? Uya-increase loyana, increase. Yabo? Uya-increase lo. Kodwa masifaka u-8 ohm la cause u-8 ohm mkhulu angithi. Umqhathanisa no-4 ohm, 8 ohm mkhulu. Shuthi masi-increase la kufana ukuthi si-increase ngoba sifake okukhulu kuno-4 ohm. Lana sekuzoba njani? Sekuzo-decrease. Shuthi yabona ukuthi ngesikhathi esifaka u-4 ohm yenza njani lona? Uya-increase. That's why shuthi energy ya-increase. Shuthi that's why kuba na-more heat. Iyona ndlela kumele uchaze ngayo leyo. Mase uyachaza ukuthi imaphi amanye ama-variable ekumele ahlale constant. Mawubheka lama-variable awu-2, 1, 2 kumele bahlale be-constant. Vele isikhathi si-constant kubo babili cause bakwi-circuit eyodwa. Bese kuthi i-voltage yona nayo kumele ibe constant. Nayo kumele ibe constant, kuphoqelekile. Kumele kube izinto eziwu-2 affectana zodwa ukuthi u-increase uya-decrease. Lezinye azibe constant. Kuhamba kanjalo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Shuthi u-V lona unjani yena mawumbheka? They are connected in what? In parallel. Sithi-ke if ama-resistor connected in parallel they banelokhu njani? Bane-voltage elo bayi-share, then i-voltage yabo is the same. I-voltage esuke la iyafana nela. If kuno-2 volts la nala kanjalo kusuke ku-2 volts. Kusho ukuthi ngaleyo ndlela u-constant u-volts na u-voltage. Shuthi-ke so uzobachazela ukuthi at constant voltage and time, yabo? At constant voltage and time Iformula okokuqala okushilo at constant voltage and time. Kwenzakalani-ke? Then for ulokhunjana, for u-4 ohm resistor, okay, uzochaza ukuthi energy is inversely proportional to power to resistor ngithi. Bese uyasho ukuthi for u-4 ohm, mawufaka u-4 ohm i-power iya increase. Okay, shuthi uzosho ukuthi energy is inversely proportional to resistance. Then for u-4 ohm, masifaka u-4 ohm laphayana, results to more energy, vele siyazi ukuthi kuna more energy then kuna more heat, angithi more energy. But for masifaka u-8 ohm, for u-8 ohm it results to lona mangabe emkhulu lona uzoba njani, uzo-decrease because angithi ba-inverse proportional, results to less energy. Shuthi-ke ilezi zinto-ke ebeyibalulekile, ilo inversely lo bebalulekile, nalokusho ukuthi there must be ama-condition for lento ukuthi yenzeke oyichazayo. Kumele kube nezinto ezi-constant, then neformula-ke nayo-ke lena-ke uchaze ngayo. Bese kuba kanje for u-3 marks, bese uthola-ke u-3 marks wakho uphelele. Yeah, siyabonga for ithuba.